Wait, it's Vlogmas. Jingle bells. It's Vlogmas? Hey queens and kings, welcome back, and thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. Pretty much for the thumbnail, y'all pretty much know what I'm doing here, but I have a surprise for you all. So I know I did a decorate with me and everything for the living room and all that stuff there, but blah, 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 scratch all that. I have done some changes to my home since the last time that you guys have seen me do some type of decorating, anything like that. I think the last one was the kitchen or whatever, but I decided to do something else. And the first thing that I want to do is pretty much, I'm gonna just show you all, because I have a surprise for you guys. I have a surprise for you all. Y'all gonna help me decorate this dining room area pretty much. So let me show you all what we're about to do. Hello. So, okay. All right, I know a lot of you guys are like, what, Val? What is really going on here? Pretty much, I'm going to use the dining room area for the dining room area. But I'm going to decorate it because, you know, the tree was over here. You guys have to come back now because some changes have been made a whole lot around me. But, so we're going to decorate this area here. It's pretty much going to be a two-seater because I don't have no chairs. And you see the table is pretty much pushed all the way to the wall just so I can still have that walkway. Now, if this table was a little smaller, it probably been fit still for me to put 4 chairs, but no. So we're going to improvise and pretty much use what I got to make a pretty much a dining room area or a sitting area, or no, pretty much I just stay tuned. So if you're into videos like this, keep on watching because we're about to start some decorating. All right, queens and kings. So I know a lot of you guys wondering probably also why did I have the sunroom, which is Andre room, now as the dining room area. Well, because of some fact, as you all seen, the sunroom is actually bigger than the dining room area. So this is more of a smaller area compared to when we were staying in the 4-bedroom. It was actually much bigger, so this table fit perfectly and it had more space. But nevertheless, it doesn't stop my show. So as you all can see, I have placed the canvas over here, the Chanel canvas. And like I said before, I done pushed the table all the way to the back. And I'm just using some stairway. I think that's what it called from Walmart. Sprayaway. Girl, I said stairway. Some sprayaway to actually clean the mirror. And we're going to get ready to go ahead and start styling it. Now, shout out to Kiva, because I came across Kiva channel and I seen that she did this on her table. So I said, you know what, I ain't got no table run or nothing, because listen, I almost put the tree back over here, but I was like, it's gonna prevent what I really wanted to do. So but anyways, I see where she have a round table in her home and she decorated her little centerpiece very nice. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna use her inspiration, use her motivation, her idea as in, but I'm using my throw because I'm trying to bring brown on this side of the room too as well. So therefore I'm going to use her actually throw, and I'm just going to roughen it up so it don't look like a throw. It look like actually table running, just for the most part of it anyway. And then I'm using my little smaller area of what I had called this my little bar area. So it's pretty much what this is going to be, a 2-seater bar pretty much, other than a dining room table, a dining area, because obviously I can't take, well, you guys will see later in the video. But anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna use my little mobile bar, and I'm deciding to just decorate it all up, fancy it out, you know, make it cute and everything. So therefore it don't be like an eyesore. It's a cute little area you could just sit back and relax drink wine, champagne, smoke the hookah, whatever. So this is basically adults area only, not for kids, not for kids at all. So as you all see, I'm placing my hookah there too as well. And besides, I bring some decor on this side of the room because other parts of the house is very heavy with decor. So therefore I wanted to decorate the table and make it look all festive and cute. So therefore I have me a cute little bar area. All right, queens and kings, so we're about to do a quick place settings. Even though this is going to be a little bar area, I still want to set it up for the aesthetics. Now, the settings are plates and things that I am using is from Home Goods, Tuesday Morning, DIY tray that I did, and also Amazon and Target Dollar Spot, pretty much what I'm be using. So the actual tray that I'm picking up now is a DIY, and the napkin holder is from Amazon. The mirror tray that I'm spraying now, which is a charger, is from Tuesday Mornings, and the mat underneath is from Home Goods. So like I say, even though it's going to be a bar, I just want to make it something cute and fancy for the holidays and also the feel of this area too as well.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is...
Okay, so at this moment here, I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to use as fillers. And I remember I stated that I wanted this to be like a bar area. So therefore, I'm taking my champagne, which you can put whatever else you want in here, but it's going to be more of like a lineup. So if you ever sit to a bar and you notice they have all the alcohol on the back shelf and everything, that's pretty much where I'm going at, but definitely less, totally less. So we got some Bel Air. This was in the refrigerator. Now, this is supposed to stay in there, but I had to bring it out for the aesthetics. So I'm also going to use some ornaments and everything like that to fill in the runner area, just to fill it up, like I said.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed.
All right, queens and
that I can be
kings.
with
So here is the new dining bar area. I don't have no other name to call it, but this is what it is now. So she got all decked out. I love that my little bar stools here. I thought they actually wasn't gonna fit up under the table like that. So as you see, you do have to pull the bar stools out to ordinarily to sit here. You know, the table ain't but so high. I did put a throw over here, another throw, which to pull some of the green of this darker green over here, because you know I have different shades of green as you all can see. But for the place settings, this is how they look, which I was telling you guys. These items here is a DIY this Tuesday morning and Home Goods, I believe, and my Amazon napkin and napkin ring, and this little mirror sign from Walmart, and this little tree from Target Dollar Spot. So I just love how this turned out. I decided to put the joy sign here just because I really didn't have nowhere else to put it, but I'll just take it away. This is how she looked there. But I really do like this. I just like this little collage look, or this cluster look, I mean to say, that I have going on here. In ordinary for me to pull some of the nutcracker, I decided to set one of the nutcrackers over here. And like I said, if you guys remember how when you sit to a bar, you know, you see the cluster of drinks and everything. So I do have more drinks that I could put up here, but I was like, what's the purpose for to sit them up there? So I just said, leave it alone. Maybe, probably once I get ready to do the home tour, probably have more. But anyways, here I just have this gorgeous flower here with different varieties of flowers in it, you know, candles. This is a wine opener. This is my whiskey baller. The canister I got from Amazon. My gold tray is from, what the place called? IKEA. And then I put some ornaments, you know, bottle stopper. In here I have more paper things to go with my hookah there. And back there in the back is basically my big old tall candle holder. I had nowhere else to put it, so I left it there. And I was telling you guys about this canvas here. This canvas is actually from Amazon. And I left a big mirror here too as well, because I didn't have nowhere else to put it. Well, I have somewhere else to put it, but I'm not ready to take it off the wall to put it there. So I decided to just leave it there so it can reflect the gorgeousness of the table. But I do like how the throw is on the table as a runner, and it's just softened the table up. It does give that intimate setting going on here, you know, in my opinion. And like I said, I put ornaments and everything on here too as well, just so therefore I can just deck it out a little bit more and give it a festive feel and vibes of it. So, but this is how she looks, and I love my table. Oh, I did add some more bling too, as you all can see here. But I love how it all look. I didn't want nothing to look so unique, as in like placed there. You get what I'm saying? Like when it came down to the centerpiece area, I just want to be like I scattered and throw ornaments, and that's how they felt. Pretty much that's how I was going for that look there. But I love it, queens and kings. Now these glasses, I don't think I told you guys about. These came from Ross. This is the perfect time of the year when you're looking for any type of bling decor. This is the time here. Christmas always have all the sparkle stuff out. That's for the stores to be able to sell it. Like this is DIY once again on my DIY channel, which is Valerie Glamorous Castle DIYs. Check it out. We're on the road to 60,000 over there. So yeah. But these chairs here are from Wayfair. They actually have some on Amazon. When I first seen them, they had them on Amazon, but they did not have this color. So I sent them back and got these. These a little more expensive from Wayfair, but Amazon does have a link for some. I will link it down below. Anything that's from Amazon will be linked down below. So check out my Amazon storefront. You will be able to find it there. My table itself is from Wayfair too as well. This table is discontinued. I can't find another table to match it. They probably have something now. I'm not sure. Been a minute since I looked back on there. But yeah, this is how it all turned out, Queens and Kings. So what do you all think? Now, I will be putting my canvas light back over there. I took it down because I was patching up the holes in the wall and stuff. So I have not put it back up. But by the time you guys see the home tour, it should be back up. I've been thinking lately. You Queens and Kings, let me know what you all think about my little dining bar area. You know, because I think it's all cute and festive. But yeah, so with that being said, Queens and Kings, you all continue to be royal. And remember, your crown may tip, but a damn show won't fall. Happy Vlogmas Day 2. Bye-bye.